Welcome to Factory Tour Global. Experience the world's most exquisite industrial craftsmanship, where raw nature and industrial waste meet the future of high-tech manufacturing. Witness the full processes of advanced automation on a global scale.
We transform raw materials into high-value products with surgical robotic precision.
Powered by cutting-edge technology and AI-driven precision engineering. From the heart of machines, we extract the world's rarest treasures. Experience the satisfying rhythm of robotic microweaving and automation, where human expertise meets the world's most advanced smart factories. The result is premium quality luxury, redefined by state-of-the-art industry. Factory Tour Global brings the future of luxury to the entire world. The ultimate destination for high-tech manufacturing and industrial tours.
Witness the full transformation of waste into global wealth.
This is where technology meets elegance. This is Factory Tour Global.
Inside the factory, we build the future. Join us on this journey.
Subscribe to Factory Tour Global for your weekly dose of industrial perfection.